Yes. Yeah, morning all. In the last class, I was briefing you about DJANGO and steps in application creation. Right. These are the steps involved in application creation. Right. So now we'll be performing how to create and activate virtual environment, how to create and activate virtual environment, and how to install DJANGO step by step. Everyone you can do along with me parallelly. Just a second. Yes. Yes. Installation of Django and application creations. First, install Python software. So the prerequisite without Python, right? It won't be installed. Yes. Hope everyone has got Python installed in your system, right? You say where Python, you can see whenever you say where Python, where exactly Python is installed, it is going to display. CMD, you can say go to the command prompt and say where Python, where Python you say. So in multiple versions of Python is installed in my system. 3.13, 3.12, 3.11, 3.8, right? So multiple, all are installed in my C drive only. Now, everyone, just to create a folder in the C drive. Next step, observe this installation steps. Create a folder, Django apps. So I'm going to create a folder, Django apps, where I'm going to store all my applications of this. Where I'm going to store all my applications in this Django apps within the C drive and install Django within it, right? Yes. Yes. Try to create a folder in the C drive with the name DJANGO apps. Just a second. So I'm creating a folder in the C drive with the name new folder, right? DJANGO apps. DJANGO apps. I created a folder with the name DJANGO apps. Hmm. It's an empty folder. Virtual environment creation, whatever the applications we are going to create, everything we are going to save under this folder, right? Yes. Observe carefully here within, okay. Don't install Django in the original Python folder. Create a virtual environment means another copy of Python. In that install Django software. In that install Django software. Even any modifications we do in Django, right? It should not affect the original Python software. It should not affect the original Python software. Virtual environment is created for Python and in that install Django. Means in your system you will have two Python softwares, one in original, one in virtual environment for Django. Now how to install virtual environment model and creating a virtual environment? Just check it. Installing virtual environment module for creating virtual environment. I hope everyone have installed VS Code, right? Everyone have installed VS Code? Say yes in the chat if everyone done with that VS Code installation. Hello. VS Code installation.
Yes, sir.
Still, if anyone, if you're not done with this VS Code, just you can go to this code.visuals code.visualstudio.com and that you can go and download for Windows. You can download and you can just install normal installation, say next, a shortcut on your desktop. Then okay. If you're done with the installation of VS Code, right? Open the VS Code, Visual Studio Code, right? Okay. Once you open this, right, you can just see this. Can you see these extensions? Can you see these extensions, everyone? Right? Click this extension and search for Python here. Python. Search for Python. You can see. Okay. See the first one, Python. You can see. You can see Python. Click Python there. You will see install option here. For me, it's already done. That's why it is showing an install option. Just to click that install and try to install it. Hmm. Done with that, everyone try to respond.
Sir,
Install.
I clicked the download.
One quick question, sir. So anyway, we are installing Python here. Then why actually other in our system also why we need to install the Python?
Yes. See here, 1 second. This 1 second. This is within the VS Code, right? Okay. Virtual environment means whatever. See already. Yeah. Okay. Now you'll come to know, right? It is going to take the location of your C drive virtual environment, what all the folders are there, the folders you are bringing into the C drive. So that tomorrow from anywhere, not only from this VS Code, from any other editors, we can make use of that virtual environment. If you are just keeping that virtual environment, right, we can make use from any IDMs. Okay. Next here, okay, now next, can you see a file option here? Can you see the file option here?
Yes, sir.
Open folder, here. Scroll down, go to C drive and select the DJANGO apps. You have created one DJANGO apps folder, right? DJANGO apps folder, DJANGO apps, select a folder. Can you see DJANGO apps you got at the left side now? DJANGO apps you got at the left side now.
We have
Okay.
to go inside the folder, sir.
No, you can see the DJANGO apps I'm saying. It will be anyhow the folder is empty. Now, how to install this virtual environment module? How to install this virtual environment module, right? Check with this. Say, select the terminal, new terminal, pip3 install virtual environment. pip3 install virtual environment. Now just observe here, right? Terminal is there. New terminal is there. Terminal, new terminal, you will be getting this. And here, 1 second, hold on. Debug console. So minimize this. So these things you minimize this. Everyone, this terminal, whenever you click terminal, new terminal, you got C Django apps. Have you got this C Django apps by default? Pip install. Pip install virtual env. Pip install virtual env. Say enter. For me, already the requirement already satisfied. For you, it will automatically download and install this virtual environment. Everyone, check with that. Pip install virtual env. Got it, everyone? If you got any queries, you can ask. Otherwise, try to share your screen. If anyone facing problem here, pip install virtual env.
I've done, sir, success.
Yes, after this, installing virtual environment model. Okay, this is what pip install virtual env. Now, next step. Creating virtual environment. Virtual env, it's single word it is. And this is any name you can give. My virtual env. my virtual env, I'm giving the name, right? So what is that? Virtual env, my VENV, my virtual environment creating. Created virtual environment successfully. Check it here. Created virtual environment successfully, right?
So it is asking one, we noticed a new virtual environment has been created. We want to select the current path. So
Virtual env, it will say created virtual environment. Got this, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Everyone try to respond. Okay.
Yeah.
So now if you go and check that, go and check in the C drive, right? Where DJANGO apps folder, you have created one DJANGO apps folder, right? There you can see, you will see with what name you have created that name, my virtual env. You can see, right? You can see a virtual environment got created. In that you can see lib folder and scripts folder. Here you can see everything you got, right? Yes. Once you created virtual environment, next activating the virtual environment now. Okay. Activating virtual environment. See where go to the folder, Django apps. Within this my virtual, within the C drive, Django apps. In that my virtual environment, within that scripts folder, here you can see the activate option. Can you see the activate option? Okay, so in the same way here also we need to go to the see Django apps, my virtual environment scripts folder and say activate. Yes. CD, change your directory to my virtual env. Change your directory to my virtual environment within that scripts folder. Now you can see you are where you are currently now. See Django apps, my virtual environment scripts folder. See Django apps, my virtual environment scripts folder, right? Yes. Now dot backslash activate. Activate. Now you can see the my virtual environment you should get within the bracket. Everyone got it? Most of you will be getting error here. Script disabled error you will be getting. Got this, everyone?
I got a
Change directory.
script
Yes.
is disabled in this system.
Anyone got error?
Yes, I got it.
Unauthorized access.
Yeah. Script is disabled on the system.
Yes, yes. scripts cannot be loaded. Okay, one thing you can do, yes. 1 second. So whenever you're trying to activate, you will get a script disabled kind of error you'll be getting. 1 second. Okay. Just what you can do is, can you see a PowerShell here? This drop down. Can you see drop down here? Everyone. Click this command prompt. Click that command prompt, everyone. Within the command prompt, now you do this. Everyone. Scripts typo mistake. Priyanka, my virtual environment scripts folder is wrong. Don't you have access to Windows?
It's working, sir, now.
Everyone,
The
once you,
PowerShell command.
yes, command prompt you can open. Command prompt you can open and do the same thing. CD my virtual environment and slash. Everyone got it now?
Yes, sir.
Open the new terminal. Same only, sir.
Not new terminal. Just this drop down list is the command prompt you need to open. Command prompt you need to open and do the same thing. CD. Got everyone. Try to respond yes in the chat.
Yes, sir. After PowerShell,
Hmm.
it's working.
Mhm. Yes, dot backslash activate.
Here terminal and new terminal and as well as PowerShell, both are opening the same command prompt. Both are same one or different?
So what command prompt have you opened? Command prompt. Now you just work with the command prompt. Just people, if you once you got activated, right?
So terminal and command prompt is one and the same, it's a different.
And okay, just check it here. PowerShell is there. See 1 second. PowerShell. A new PowerShell. A new PowerShell is opened. This is the terminal. Almost both are same only. Command prompt. So just wherever you have activated, right? On that you need to work it now. You open a command prompt or PowerShell, right? Both will be same. If you have wherever you have activated, now you need to check with this. Now this is your activation is done. How will you say whether it got activated? Means whatever name you have given, my virtual environment name, what name you have given, that you are going to see in the bracket. CL, CLS, CLS. I'm clearing this. Clear screen means yes. Now this is what the activation. Now, okay, activating virtual environment, creating virtual environment, everything is done. Next, installation of DJANGO. pip3 install DJANGO. Pip install DJANGO, you say pip3 install DJANGO. That's it. pip3 install DJANGO. Say enter. Yes. So successfully installed DJANGO, it will say successfully installed DJANGO. Just use the command pip3 install DJANGO. Got this, everyone? Yes.
Sir.
Anyone facing any problem? Anybody wants to share your screen?
Successful.
Okay. Okay. That is what installation of DJANGO is done. Now creating or starting a project. Creating or starting a project. So if you want to create any, okay, now everything you got, again you say CLS. Okay, clear everything. Now this, see whatever, where you will create the project, where your projects has to be saved, where your projects has to be saved in the Django apps, where it has to be saved in the Django apps. In the Django apps, your projects has to be stored. So what you will do, come out of this, come out of this, right? So cd dot dot cd dot dot come out of this scripts folder, and cd come out of this my virtual environment folder. Now you are in the C Django apps folder. Now where you are in that C Django apps folder. Now yesterday I was saying, right, what is the command? What is the command to for creating a project? Django hyphen admin. Try to say the command Django hyphen admin. Yesterday session I said. See, now this Django hyphen admin start project, project name. Creating or starting a project. Django hyphen admin start project. My project one. Project name, any name you can give. My project one. Django hyphen admin start project. My project one. Can you see in the left side DJANGO apps? Only my virtual environment is present in it. Now you can see a project folder also it's going to be created. Now this project folder got created to all, right? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Can you see my project one folder will be created. See carefully, if you open this my project folder, one more inner project folder you will get. In the outer folder, this outer project folder, this is the inner project folder. Both will be created by doing this command. You will see many Python files got created here. If you just observe here, manage.py is the main thing. If you want to create an application, this manage.py is required. You want to run the server, this manage.py is required. You want to migrate, this manage.py is required. This is the important file. You check it, see that structure. If I open this my project one now, 5 to 6 files, Python files you see. 5 files you can see. Settings.py, urls.py.
I didn't get any error, but project is not created, sir. Under the
What is it?
project is not created, but I didn't get any errors.
DJANGO-admin start project is a single word.
Yeah. See.
Start project is a single word. You got error?
Shows already exist actually.
My project 2 you create. Already it has been created. Again, you are trying to create iPhone.
But it is not in the IDE. So
My project 2 you create.
can I share my screen, sir? Also?
Yes.
Enable screen sharing.
Now you can see.
Maybe it looks refreshes.
In scripts, need to
See,
be in
you are
the
trying to
Django.
create in the scripts folder. I said that you should not create in the scripts folder. The Django applications is there. In that folder, you need to create this project. cd dot dot come out of that scripts I said. cd dot dot you see.
Yeah. Okay, I'll do it. Thanks.
Still an unfacing issue.
Yes, sir. No, thanks.
Here itself, if you want to see the structure, 3/f we can say. You can see the structure. 1 second. Control C to stop it. CLS. Now, after creating this project, CD if you want whatever you want to do, you need to do from this project. My project one. My project one. My project one. You need to enter. See the Django apps. Now, just now you created a project. My project one. Now you should enter into the project folder. Now whatever you want to do, everything you need to do within the project folder, right? Within the project folder itself. Now you see, if you want to see this tree structure, tree slash f. So previously, you need, after entering the project, you need to say this tree slash f. You will see my project one. These are the .py files. You can see the tree structure. This is the .py files. There is a manage.py. You hide. Yes. Okay. Next is application creation. Next is application creation. This is project. See the structure, outer project, inner project. Yes.
Is the difference between project and application?
So here again in application related, right? So the is the main whatever the business logic you will implementing in application. In the project only that what all the required things database related or any settings.py you will be seeing. In the project folder you are going to see only this. In that URL specifying and the data in a database, if you want the settings.py, these are the main files only. But if you want to write the core business logic, you need to write within this. Okay. Priyanka, right? You don't have access to Windows.
No, sir.
Share your screen. We'll check. Are you sharing the screen?
Yes, sir, it is visible.
Anyone doing in Mac? Anyone doing in Mac? Others?
Yes.
Anyone? Mac OS? No? Are you sharing the screen?
Yes, sir. Is it visible?
No. That share screen.
Hmm.
I don't know. No, it's not visible.
Allow the mouse space to shadow screen, but it is not. Okay. Now visible?
No. Stop sharing again. Reshare the screen. The green color icon.
Yeah.
Yes. Hmm.
So we have a great app. Where is my
Where is your Django apps? Okay.
I have created, but I'm deleting because facing issue.
One second, 1 second. Terminal, can you see at the bottom?
Yeah.
Open the terminal. You are in the Django apps folder only. Um, pip install virtually env. Enter.
Actually, I have to go in that.
Hmm.
Actually, I have created new now. Before I have created DJANGO apps, but I that deleted, and secondly I created DJANGO application. So I have to go in that folder. But, but I don't know how to.
Okay. This is not your folder.
No. How can I go on another folder?
Search in the top, search for terminal. Sorry, 1 second, 1 second, 1 second. Django apps. Explorer is there at top. Beside that.
Open it.
No. Open it. Close this again, reopen this. Close this total, close this and reopen. Totally close this. Yes. Open this freshly, right? 1 second. Open folder is there here. Folder, yes. Select the folder. Open user. Close that welcome. Close that welcome. No, that yes. Open terminal now. Yes, terminal, new terminal. Pip install virtual environment, you say. Requirement already satisfied, right? Now virtual env. Say virtual env. My env. Enter. Created virtual environment. CLS, you say. Clear the screen.
What's it?
Clear the screen. CLS.
Serious? I'm not following.
Okay. Now, you need to enter into this. You need to enter into this.
Sorry?
In Django application, go to your Django application. Folder you created, right? Not there, not there. Minimize this and go to your drive. Drive. In the drive, my virtual environment is there, right?
Yes.
You need to enter into my virtual environment. Once go to lib folder. Lib folder. Python 312, right? 312 you go. 312. Go back. Bin folder. Here activate is there for you. Here activate. So in this, if anyone working with Mac, this is where you see activate option. Activate. So you can see bin folder. Go back one step back. Go to the folder, same folder. Go back. Your is
Bin.
virtual environment and bin. My virtual environment and bin. Go back to your, yes, CD, change your directory, my virtual environment, my virtual venv slash
Slash.
bin slash
Okay.
bin. Say enter.
So it is.
How will you enter into folder in Mac? You want to enter into my venv.
Okay.
No such file or directory. CD my venv. Your name is my venv only. Check it once. What is the name you have given? Enter. Enter. Now, CD bin. CD bin. Dot backslash activate. Backslash. Dot backslash activate. Activate you say. Okay. Pip install Django you say. Remove that CD. Pip install Django. Successfully installed the Django. CD dot you say come out of the bins folder. Again, CD space dot come out of that. Now you are in the Django application. Now say Django-admin. Django-admin. Start project. Django-command of Django one single word. It's a single word. Single word. Django-admin. Type that entire command, right? Django-admin start project, my project one.
Path project.
My project. Start project. Start project. No. Start project. Start project. Single word. Start project. My project 1 space.
Space.
My project PROJ1. My project 1, say enter. Okay. Open the Django application and see. My project 1 got created. Open that project folder. Now we got that right. Yes, everyone got right. Yes, stop sharing now. Do the same thing every time you do a web application, right? The same steps you need to follow. In the Mac OS, see in the case of Mac OS, you won't see this path. Generally in Django apps, where you are going, Django apps, my virtual environment, you are going to scripts folder in Windows. In Mac OS, in Django, Vim virtual environment will be there, but not the scripts folder, bin folder will be there. You'll be getting this lib as usual, but instead of scripts, you are getting bin folder. And everyone, if you observe the folder, you can see this my project 1 got created in our C drive in the Django apps. My project 1 got created. Application also, just application, next creating application, just check with this everyone, right? Now project creation is completed. Now application create. What is the command for creating an application, right? Creating application. Python manage.py start app application name. Python manage.py start app application name. Everyone try to say yes. Python manage.py start app is a single word. Start project is a single word. Application name, some application, demo application. Python manage.py start app application name, demo app. Enter. Now, can you see demo app also got created? At the left side, you can see application also created. Yes, demo application also created. Everyone got created this demo application. You can see the main thing views.py where you will be writing the logic, business logic, right? Here you will be writing the business logic. First, for 1 or 2 applications, it looks something new to you, but from the third application, all these steps remain same for every application creation. Demo app. Demo application is created, project folder is created, application folder is created. See in the application folder, what are the files? Admin.py, models.py for database tables creation, views.py business logic implementation. Okay. Now next step. Adding your application to install apps. Now see the next step. Adding your application to the install. See the steps. Adding application to settings.py. Now in the project folder, can you see in the project folder? The project folder, you got settings.py. Open the settings.py. Open the settings.py. Yes, opened here. Opened. Top, you can see it is opened. And within this, if you see Scroll down, installed apps, 33rd line. Installed applications is there, installed applications. In the install applications, try to include your application name. What is your application name? What is your, everyone, try to interact. What is your application name? Hello?
Demo app.
Demo app. Demo app. Demo application. Just include your demo application here. In line number 40, in line number 39, comma has to be there. Line number 40, write that application name. It's case sensitive. Uppercase, lowercase. See that demo app, if you are given in uppercase, D and A capital. Okay. Next, what is the next step? Specify URL for the project. URLs.py. Specify URLs for the project, URLs.py. How to specify the URLs.py, right? Again, go back. You have got URLs.py file, right? Yes. Can you see here? URLs.py is there below the settings.py. For any application or any the URLs will be specifying here. Go to line number 21. Say enter. RE underscore path you say. Just include one. RE underscore path. Just include this line. Raw string. So this is the starts with symbol. We say this symbol as starts with demo. Any URL you can provide and ends with this. This is the ends with symbol. Raw string within single quote. Start with, ends with. You can give any name. Any name you can give. Not only demo, I can give any name. Whenever I give this demo URL in the web browser, it has to go and execute a function. It has to go and execute a function. What is the function name? We go to the views. Go to the views. In the views, a display function. Views dot or input function. Views dot input function. So this RE underscore path and this views. Import path comma RE underscore path. Path comma RE underscore path. For views also. Where the views.py is available? Where the views.py available? In the demo application, views.py is available. So what I should say? Import from demo application. Import views. From a demo application, import views. Okay, just this one line you include it. And here path comma RE underscore path, import views. Say file, autosave enable you say. This tick mark you should get. Autosave means you no need to save every time. If you write any line or any word, autosave option, select it. Okay. This urls.py. What is the next step? Everyone done with this? So this one line number 22, that one, line number 19 in the term from demo app import views and re_path. Yes. In views.py, go and define the business logic. So this input function I need to define. So go to the views.py in the demo app.
How can we enable the autosave? Can you please show one more time?
File, click on this autosave.
Okay, so thank you.
See that you should get other tick symbol, means it is autosaved. Now go to views.py with the same name, with the name input, you need to define a function. df input function take a request. It takes request as an argument. Yes. Now writing some HTML code within the Python function, within the Python code, you can write HTML code. Okay. So in this way, HTML code I am writing. HTML code within a Python. Okay, just I'm taking a string, Python string, the two multi-line string, because multiple lines if you want to write. What is that? HTML body BG color. Text color yellow. H1 welcome to Python world. This is the string. This is a string. Now return HTML response, HTTP response, HTTP response. str1 return HTTP response. So here one import statements I need to include from DJANGO.htp, from DJANGO.htp import HTTP response. HTTP response. Import HTTP response. Finished everyone writing this. Input function is defined, request. Write some HTML code within this as a Python string. Return HTTP response, H capital or capital.
Hello, sir. In my DJANGO demo app, I didn't have views.py.
Compulsory it will be there. Views in the demo app, views.py will be there. Check it once.
Checks. I have two demo apps.
I think you have executed the command for 2 times.
Can I share my screen once?
One you delete it. In which one that views.py is not there, that you delete it. The remaining one you can work. Still, it should not already it should available. You should not get 2 demo apps, right? To share your screen.
Thank you. Okay. Are you visible my screen?
Open the demo app, internal demo app.
This one?
The demo app you totally delete it.
On the top? This one or this one, sir?
Demo app you open the demo app.
Yeah.
Open it. Open the internal demo app.
Yeah, I opened, sir.
What you did is you have used the same command. Creating a application, you will have one command. Python manage.py start app. You didn't use that command. You have used the Django-i. Entire demo app, you delete it. The top one, delete it. Now again recreate. At the bottom, try to create it. How will you create an application folder at the back? Scroll down.
Yes, sir.
Just now you
Here?
created a Python manage.py start a project. You said start project there. Start not project app. Start app there. Say up arrow, you can say up arrow. Not project. Start app. Start app. Start app. Demo
Demo.
Start app, everything single word. Single word and that too everything in lowercase. Start app. Again, you try to CLS, you say, clear the screen. Python manage.py. Up arrow, you can say otherwise. Start app, everything in lowercase.
Yeah, start app, demo app.
Space demo app. If you are given D capital, give D. Demo app. Again, up arrow, you say. D capital, A capital, you give demo app. Already in the settings.py, you have included this application name. Enter. Enter.
Here I am. So here I work. The settings app, then URS app is good, sir. I didn't.
Any header name you give?
Huh?
Up arrow you give? Up arrow you type?
Yeah.
Instead of demo app or sample app you give?
So small letters, okay, right?
Go to settings.py. Remove the demo app. Now go and create application.
Demo app, okay, right?
Okay. Now go and add that. Go to settings.py, add demo app there.
Yes, I added. You have
That's fine. Now go to views.py and perform this. Stop sharing.
thank you, sir.
So for the first 1-2 applications, everyone, you will see what is that views.py, urls.py, settings.py, you will feel something new, but thereafter, you finish with this, everyone, right? This thing from DJANGO.http, import HTTP response. It is HTTP response, str1. Okay, now this is that. Finish with this. Take snap of it if you're not finished. Now see the next one. Migrate. If any errors are there, displays the errors, starting the server and giving the request. My project one. So right up arrow you can click for the previously typed command. Python manage.py migrate. Python manage.py migrate. Say enter. It migrates. It will say applying. It has to say applying. Other than that, if it is saying errors, got it? Applying, everyone.
Yes, sir.
It has to say this way. If it is not saying in this way, it is saying errors. If it is displaying errors, means you got errors in your code. After this migrate, it is going to apply the changes to all this. Next, start server. Again, up arrow, python manage.py, run server. run server. Enter. Server runs. Server starts. Now, okay. Your server is running, right?
So is this the embedded server or what is this server?
By default, DJANGO comes with an inbuilt server.
Okay.
That server. So whenever you say run server, the command, it is going to starting development server at so and so port number. Starts development server at so and so port number. Just copy this, everyone. This one, you select it and say Control C and open a browser and paste it there. Open a browser and just paste it. And what is the URL you have provided? What is the URL you have provided? Go to the urls.py.
Demo, anything started.
Say, go to the urls.py. You are given demo. Just click that give demo there. Give demo. DEMO. Say enter. You can say welcome to Python world. Whatever you have given that code. Everyone got this output? Yes. Background color red, text color yellow. Anyone got any errors? How many of you got the output? Say yes in the chat first. Say yes in the chat who got the output. The remaining. Okay, fine. So in this way, just 1 second. Anybody wants to share the screen? After doing views.py, Python manage.py migrate. Python manage.py space migrate.
Python migrate.
Python manage. This one, this step. After this migrate means it has to say applying, right? Python manage.py run server. Next.
Clicking RE path not defined. List substance.
See in their urls.py path comma re underscore path you should give. Done with this, everyone? Yes.
No, sir. I have some missing.
Mm.
In views.py. I think some missing.
What is that? What is error you got? You want to share the screen?
That's one error I'm missing. So I added this one, sir, RE paths.
Actually, sir, some missing in views.py. My screen is visual, sir.
So I'm also sharing.
1 second. Well, where you have written in, like you are not in the views.py, you are not written anything, right? What you have written in views.py?
From DJANGO.http import HTTP response. Actually, sir, that time I have disconnected from the Zoom.
You share the code, sir, or the can paste.
Okay, 1 second. Copy paste this in the line number 4 in views.py. Line number 4, you can copy paste this. I'm sending this in the chat.
From where, sir?
Control V. Check it. I pasted it. Paste it here in line number 4. Copy from the Zoom. Okay, one thing.
Can I share my screen? So I paste it.
Share it. What is your error? What you are searching for? Migrate you do at the bottom. Py python manage.py migrate you say. At the bottom terminal. Python manage.py migrate. Space Python space manage.py migrate. Migrate. Enter. Go to your urls.py. urls.py. From demo app only. 19th line from demo app only. 1 second, 1 second. Not that one. Move your mouse away from it. Remove line number 18. No. Don't remove. Path, comma, re underscore path. See, you people are not able to write the code, whatever I have written it. You're not able to write the code, what code I have written, you're not writing any new codes here. Path, comma, re underscore path. Path, comma, re underscore path. Re underscore path. And from line number 19, from demo app, import views, you should say. From demo app, import views. From demo app, from demo app, import views. From demo app, remove the dot URLs. From demo app, import views. Now execute at the bottom, up arrow. Enter. The Django spelling is wrong in the views.py. In views.py, go to views.py in that, see that line number 2. Again up arrow, remove that migrate and say run server. Remove that migrate and say run server. Enter. Select that HTTP, that line. Select HTTP, that line. Copy, Control C, and open a browser. Paste it there. Demo is demo, DURGASOFT. What you have given, that same name you should give here in urls.py. You have given demo there. Go and check in urls.py. Demo you have given, the same name you should give there. Lowercase. Enter. That's it.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Fine. So in this way, you can just write with this is you're not writing any. Okay. Still, anyone got any issues with this? Okay. Now I'll forward this file. You can just check with that if anyone have got any. So the entire file. Check in the Zoom. In the Zoom chat. Mac OS, right? Priyanka Kalpat, you have got the output. One second. Once
No,
you
sir.
got it,
No, sir. Actually, I'm stuck in that one step. So after that, I'm just concentrating what you teach. So after that, I will start, like I will repeat the track.
can you see now? I forwarded a file to you. Django installation and demo application creation. You can everyone once again create by yourself without seeing from the start to end. Try to create by yourself. You will get the clarity. step 1, step 2, step 3, once again all this. Do one thing, everyone try to do one thing for your practice purpose, right? In the C drive you have created DJANGO apps, right? Delete that.
Yes, sir.
Okay, for your practice purpose, I can try to recreate everything.
Okay.
Otherwise, if you want this DJANGO applications creations, right, from here onwards, try to do everything by yourself once again from the starting to what we did in today's session. That folder is the DJANGO apps. If you delete, again recreate it, and again recreate the virtual environment, create all these things process. And next time, second application onwards, right? Just no need to create all this virtual environment, everything. Directly creating project and creating application. From there, we will be starting, right? Check these things. By afternoon, I'll ask them to forward the video. By afternoon, you will get the video to your mails, right? You will be getting that. Next. So if you're not enrolled for this DJANGO, try to get enrolled for getting the videos and notes. Next week, again, there will be a new link for this, and link will be changing next Saturday. Same time at 7 o'clock, you'll be seeing this DJANGO session. But with a different link, you can check your mails, right? Once again, the notes, you can download the notes. Just I kept in the one second. I kept the notes there. You can check it. You can download that notes in the Zoom chat. Fine. So, those who are attending the CSS, there is no CSS for today. Next week we'll complete it. Fine.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Bye.